Okay, gonna do a little video here of my spot welding. Can't get my program on my phone to work. So I'm gonna do it just with the GoPro. And I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the spot welding. And put some pictures on of my spot welder. And it actually is an awesome spot welder. I love the way it works. It has auto pulse, so you don't have to even have a foot pedal, and you can crank these things out. And so far, this thing has done really good on the battery. I've done half of this, which is a 150, almost say there's 150 cells here, so I'm doing one side and I'm gonna do the other. And I've only did one set of spot welds, so I may go back and do a second set, but I was gonna see how well it was doing before I went and started on the second round. But so far the battery seems to be holding up quite well. It gets a little warm, so what you got to kind of do is go for a while and then give it a little break, because it does get a little on the warm side. Alright, I'll take a little break. Alright, do a few more. So down to here. Just love the auto pulse. It's awesome. And you can change it. You can have it go a little faster, a little slower, but I got it about where I like it. About 4 seconds, I think. My battery's starting to go down a little bit, so I may have to recharge time I get down to this side. Of course, with any spot welder, if you get down very low on your battery, which I'm only using a 5.0, and it's a lithium polymer, I think, with graphene. It's a 65C discharge. And it's but anyways, since I was seeing some talk about graphene and how well the graphene is supposedly going to be helping the battery industry, I bought this one here. Eventually may build a bigger battery that will last much longer. But this right here will run on anywhere. This spot welder will run around 11, 12 volts. You can run it off a regular car battery. You can run it off of something like this. You can build you a pack. But it does need to be at least around 12 volts or so, 11, 12 volts. So Okay, something just to hold it on there until you get it started. And I got this from Battery Hookup. These are built-in fuses. So this is nickel plating. Gives you lots of spread on your energy. And this little spiral goes to that circle you're spot welding. And that gives you basically a cell level fuse. They're supposed to burn into right around 5 amps. About 5. I've seen the guy do testing online, did some videos, and they come out anywhere around between 5 and 6 or so, and I think 1 depending on how hard you short it, but this right here seems to be fairly sharp, so I may have to come up with some kind of a system to either shorten my cut or roll it or something to keep it from hanging off the edge, which will make it really sharp and cut you. So don't need people getting cut, but yeah, so far it's been really great. Break. I don't think it's heating anything up. Of course, the fans are running, keeping that cool. Battery. No, I'm not pulling that too hard. Half of one battery done, just got her done really quick. To bring it in a little bit. that right down the middle of those cells. Soldered it, crimped it.